Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable or turn on sensitive content on Telegram on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your Telegram app and make sure you are logged in. Now, unfortunately, if you go into the Telegram app on your iPhone and navigate to settings by tapping on the settings icon and then go into privacy and security, you won't find an option to enable sensitive content. This method works for both iOS and Android. What you actually need to do is open a browser on your phone, such as Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. Remember that this option may not be available in certain countries or regions, but for most users, it should work fine. Once the browser is open, go to web.telegram.org. Make sure you enter this exact URL. Once on the site, you will be asked to select your country or region and enter the phone number linked to your Telegram account. Follow the instructions, enter the confirmation code provided, and you'll gain access to your Telegram account on the web. Now, tap the three lines in the upper corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down and find the Sensitive Content section. Here, make sure this box is check-marked. This means that now you can see sensitive content on your Telegram. You can go back to Privacy and Security to confirm the setting is updated. So that's basically how you can enable or turn on sensitive content on Telegram on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.